Hi everyone, it's Malika again. Welcome back to my channel. For today I have a very exciting unboxing video for you guys, and we're going to be unboxing this. And I got this box earlier this morning around 10 o'clock. So I have waited for 12 hours now to unbox this box with you guys. So let's go ahead and do that. And I actually got this box sent to my work actually because I didn't want it to sit like in front of my house, because I didn't want to take any chance for, you know, someone come pick up the box. And besides, I think that was like a signature requirement for this box in particular, because there's very important and expensive products in here. So inside the box there's another tiny box right here, and then I got my shipping label and my receipts in here, and this was from Nordstrom, and I'm going to set that there, put the box out. Ta-da! Could you guys guess what's inside this box? Like, I'm so excited. And take a deep breath. Now I'm gonna have my scissor, open this box, see what it is. Paper out! Here is the goodie. Can you guess what it is? There's a picture right here, but I won't show you guys just yet, so you get to see it in real life. Well, the wrapping wasn't as impressive as I thought it would be. I thought it would be like nicely wrapped, because considering how much I spent for this, I'm not very impressed on the wrapping. But hey, ta-da! It's my very first luxury, high-end luxury bag, and it's from Gucci. Gucci! I just love the name. So it's come in a cute dust bag, and let's take it out. And it has a lot of wrapping in here, so that is good. I'm glad there's like some paper foam in here, not paper foam, foam in here that protect this bag. Oh my gosh, guys. This is the most adorable bag in the whole world. Wow. This is what it feels like to feel a very expensive leather. Okay, let's take out this foam right here. I'm gonna just cut it open. Honestly, I had this box at work, like I said earlier, and I'm just like constantly looking over, making sure the box is still there and no one come and walk out with my box, you know. And I wanted to open it so bad, guys, like really. But then I'm like, you know, it would be fun to film this for you guys, and you guys can see my reaction, because this is my very first luxury bag. I honestly don't consider like Kate Spade or Henry Bendel or Rebecca Minkoff to be like a high-end luxury bag. They're like, I guess they are designer bag, but they're not like luxury high-end bags, you know. So here is my bag. This is my very first baby. It feels so nice and soft, guys. I think the leather was a little bit softer than like my Kate Spade. It just feels so luxe. I love it. In case you guys wondering, this is the Gucci Mahmoud Matte Classe camera bag. And I don't speak French, so I apologize if I completely butchered the name, but that's the bag. It's so adorable. It's so cute. I love it. Yeah, it's a crossbody bag. And we shall see. I'm going to try to use this, and then also, if you guys interested in seeing like a full review of this bag right here, then you gotta leave some comment down below. Let me know that you want to see a review, and then I can do one for you guys. But this bag's pretty tiny. This is just how I like it. It'll fit my iPhone in there. Yay! So I want to share with you guys a little bit of a backstory why I picked this bag in particular, because I've been eyeing this bag for the longest time, and I've seen bloggers and stuff using this bag, but in a different color, of course, and I wanted one, but then I look at the price tag and I was just like, ouch, this is not in my budget. Like, I don't have that much money to spare. And then fast forward a year later, they don't have this color anymore. I'm not familiar with designer bag, let alone like Gucci bag in general, so I'm not sure which year that this color came out. I'm assuming it's at least last year, because I don't see this color anywhere when I was trying to Google the color and search the stuff, and I just kind of lost hope. But then I kind of like completely just give up on an idea of getting like a very luxury bag, just because it would just, you know, a lot of money on a handbag. So last week, a few of my friends who also love like high-end designer bags posted a bunch of pictures in our like private group, and you know, just saying, oh, they want to have this bag, they want to have this Chloe, they want to have this Gucci, they want to have this disco bag. But then I was just like, those bags look very beautiful, but I couldn't afford it. Someone posted this picture of this bag right here in this exact color, and then my love for it, it's just like a flashback, and then I just remembered that I love this color and I wanted to have this bag for the longest time. So I've been like searching high and low, and there was like a few here and there, like on like Treatsy or on Poshmark and on eBay. But when it comes to this kind of bag, I'm not particularly comfortable buying it at those kind of sites. I would like rather spend a little bit more and buying it from like, you know, a certified third-party retailer like Nordstrom, who that's where I got this bag from, or like Saks Fifth, or you know, Net-a-Porter, whatever, all those department store, because you know that those are genuine products. So when I saw this bag on eBay and stuff, I was just like, nah, I'm not gonna buy it. I'm just gonna wait till next year till the bag comes, like till they come out with new colors. I'm sure they will. Like that's my thought process, because you know, every spring and summer they probably will come out with like a brighter color besides just black or nude color. So I was gonna wait, and then on that same day, my friend Karen, that's her name, the one that also has the identical bag as me, tagged me on a post and saying, Malika, this bag, the color is back, it's available right now, Nordstrom, you have to get it. I would just say, oh my gosh, I dropped everything, go online and went and bought this bag without thinking. And I'm glad I did it, because the moment I bought it, and like a few hours later, that bag was sold out again. Not even just this color, there was sold out in black and red also. So I just like, whew, I'm glad I got my hand on this. But that was a long story, right guys? I will try to use this bag in the next couple weeks, but if you guys want me to do an in-depth review on this handbag, then you have to leave some comment down below and let me know, and I can definitely do one for you guys. But yeah, that is all for my brand new handbag, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and if you like this kind of unboxing video, then give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel of course, and follow me on Instagram at Simply Savant, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah!